Welcome back guys, and this explained that, and this is a tutorial on how to protect your account on Instagram mobile. So let's get started. So first up, make sure to open up your Instagram and be sure to be logged in already. Next, tap on your profile icon and tap on the three horizontal bar lines at the top right. Click on settings and privacy, and then click on your account center. In here, just go on to your protect and security or the password and security. In here, you have a list of choices to do for your account's protection. You can either change your password to a better one, or the two-factor authentication, in which you need to install any other authentication app like Google Authentication and other stuff as well as Microsoft. In here, you can also add extra security within text messages. If you have a phone number, be sure to be secured also. And also, you have a save information, in which in your phone that you put the save information, you can either choose it so that you never have to input your password ever again in that specific phone. You can either also use security checkup, so whenever someone accesses your account, and you can either use it as an information so that you'll know as a majority as well. There's a lot of options there, so just follow the prompts and you'll be followed accordingly. And that's about it. That's how to protect your account on your Instagram mobile.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.